Alrighty guys, we got about 5.5 hours down the road. I started getting a little tired, and then I started getting really lightheaded and a little concerning because like I was like, my head was like going back, and like it still does it. Like it just like feels like the world's like spinning when I do that. It feels weird. I thought I was gonna pass out, so I stopped at Love's. I'm parked right now, but we stopped at Rainey's truck stop, the Chrome Shop, earlier this morning, and I got a few things. I've been wanting to get rid of this steering wheel for a while because it's deteriorating and it gets my hands all disgusting, and I'm over it. Anyways, let's get this steering wheel off. So first I'm going to go turn the batteries off. Batteries are off. We're gonna take this thing off. I don't know if I have the right socket size for that, to be honest. Okay, so I already got it loose, but it's definitely a 1-inch size socket, but a 1 1/16 inch will definitely work. I'm gonna get this up and out of the way real quick. Okay. So I'm gonna mark this. Show which way's up and down in case it moves. And honestly, the best way to get this removed is to have a steering wheel puller, but I don't have one. So we're gonna use muscle and a mallet. that's broken. Alright guys, after some pounding and some just muscle wiggling it back and forth, it's off. I'm gonna go ahead and just clean all this up while I have the room to do it, and yeah, go from there. Okay, now I got that all cleaned up, she's looking good and pretty and shiny. Let's get the steering wheel on. And you know we gotta go fancy. Got myself an SCI Steering Creations steering wheel, baby. Here's the white bezel to match the steering wheel. Here's the horn. Okay, so this is how far we've gotten. What you want to do, I guess I can take this off and kind of show you guys. There's 3 pieces. This back piece, you see how it's kind of floating up in the air. They're all different depending on the truck you have, but basically this piece is just to kind of hold in the bolts because they're facing this way. And then you put her on in there, you put the bolts on, you put the nuts on, and then you tighten it down. And then, let's see if I can do this with one hand. Like this. You just want to line it up. There you go. So now I'm going to put the bolt back on. And then once that's tightened down, alright, so get you an extension. Not so, so it's the only extension I have for this size of a nut, so it's gonna work. Yeah, get yourself an extension, tighten it down, and I'm gonna grab the torque wrench and we're gonna torque it down to 50 pounds per square inch. And just like that, we have ourselves a white steering wheel. So the horn's easy. All you gotta do is just hook up the one wire to the horn and to the peg that's sticking up. Just, it's one wire. It's super easy. I didn't really show it, but it's pretty simple. Then you just pound this in. There's 3 little pegs that makes it tight. I had to kind of adjust them because they were hitting the edges of the collar here. But time to turn the power on and see if the horn works, and then yeah. All I want is you. All I want is you.